How to put page numbers in Canva. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put page numbers in Canva. In order to do so, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Now in the search bar of the browser, type in canva.com, then press on the enter key to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Canva. Yet you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the top left, you will be able to see Create a Design button. Simply click on it and then select Custom Size from the left side. Now here you will need to enter the width and height of your canvas. Soon after entering it, simply click on this Create New Design button right here. This will take you to the editing space. Here at the bottom, you'll be able to see Add Pages. Simply click on it and add as much pages as you want. Now after adding it, simply scroll up and select the first page. After that, click on the text option from the left side, and here at the very bottom, you'll be able to see dynamic text. If in case you didn't see this option, you may also go to the apps option and then there are search for dynamic text, which will be available in only updated versions. Once you get this option, simply click on it and at the right bottom below, you'll be able to see the page number. Now you can drag it to make it larger. You can simply scroll down to check the page numbers in each pages. If in case you don't have access to this dynamic text, then you can simply manually add it. For that, you will need to click on this text option again and select the text box. Once after selecting it, here enter the number 1. Now you can drag the edges and then drag it to the place where you'd like it to be placed. Once after doing that, select the text box and then click on this duplicate. Once you have duplicated it, now you will need to click and drag it to the second page. Position it at the right bottom below and then update the number. Simply click on it and enter a new number. Now you can simply repeat the same process in order to update the numbers in all the pages. And then you will be able to add page numbers in your Canva. So by following these steps, you should be able to add page numbers in your Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.